Hi, lovely members. How are you? I'm doing well. In my last video, I said that today I will be discussing a topic beauty versus brain. And I'm with this beauty versus brain. Okay? So, finally, we will be discussing today whether brain wins or beauty wins. This is a very controversial topic and critical topic. I would like to, whatever you may say, I would like to describe myself as a HR consultant by profession. So, as an HR consultant, sometimes I take the interviews. Okay, I'm sharing my opinion regarding this beauty versus brain topic. Okay, so whenever a beautiful girl or beautiful boy comes and sits in front of me, I think, okay, fine, he or she is having that quality, what I was hunting. Fine. But finally, whenever the interview goes on, and I proceed with some critical sort of questions, how the problem solving questions, and I see that they are not that much of interactive with my session, or they are not interacting, they are not having the capacity to interact properly, I reject those people, though they are beautiful. Why this happens? Because finally, if we come with the war between the beauty and brain, finally the brain wins. Beauty is an extra advantage which helps us to break the first impression. Okay, but the last impression, but the success, that is dependent upon onto your brain, which you can sharpen day by day, with new qualities, with new inventions, with new ideas. Okay, and that is dependent upon on your brain. It's not dependent upon on your beauty. Beauty gives you the first impression to crack something, but the last impression is holding by your brain. Basically, wherever you go, in singing, in playing, in you may say even in the Bollywood industry, many people, each and every day, very very beautiful people are taking entry to the industry. But finally, the people who are getting success in their life, or who are successful actors, that is due to their acting skills, and nothing more than that. They are having the acting skills, and then they can only succeed. And success is such a thing that is measured through, not through that you are successful in only one event. After having success, if you cannot persist in that particular situation for a longer period of time, you are not successful. Then it is granted as failure. And this basically success is dependent upon on the skill sets you are having. If you are having a skill set that is giving you new invention, new techniques, new ideas each and every day, you are sharpening yourself, you are sharpening your quality, your personality. If anybody sees my first video in my channel, they will see that there is a lot, hell and heaven difference between the speech today I am delivering. The body language, the speech capacity, the speech, my total version of speech has been changed. Just because of that, I am regularly giving the speech, and which is constantly sharpening my capacity, which is constantly giving me some new ideas, some new movements, how to make my skills attractive. It is not through my beauty. Each and every day you people are seeing the same face. But whenever you will accept me, that is through my speech. Isn't it true? It is the thing. It is the skill. It is given by the brain. It is not the beauty. Because people are seeing me the same face each and every day, and they will be bored if I cannot give them some new invented speech, or new things, new ideas. Okay, so that is the thing, that is the final thing. The first impression is being created by beauty, but the last impression, but the success, but the thing which is measured in terms of success is basically given through our brain. That is the personality actually. Whenever you are getting older, you are gathering knowledge. Each and every day you are gathering knowledge. Your beauty is fading away. Your beauty, as you are going older, your beauty, instead of having those Botox technology, instead of having those plastic surgeries, everything else, hormonal treatment, everything, whatever you do, one day your beauty obviously will be fading away whenever you are going older. Okay, but the thing that will be always with you is your knowledge, is your wisdom, which you are gaining through constant experiencing yourself in different area of life. You are having the experience, some sort of knowledge, and knowledge plus experience will give you the wisdom, which will be your inner beauty whenever you will be going towards a older age. That time your inner beauty of mind will dominate. Finally, the skill sets which we have is dominating the world. Okay, so in case of, you must say, whatever, beauty is an extra quality. If we want to say something, beauty versus brain, beauty is the extra quality which helps the first impression to be created. But it is not the entire quality. Yes, we see people who are struggling throughout their life because they are not beautiful. Simultaneously, we will have to see that their skill set is also low. If a person is not beautiful, I have lot of experience in my friend circle also, who are not beautiful, but they are basically dominating the economics after reading it. I have lot of friends in my cycle. They are not beautiful at all, but they are dominating right now the entire world with their skills, whatever they have earned for last 10 to 15 years. So whenever we are talking about beauty and brain, obviously beauty is the first impression which will make something in others' opponent mind. In case of sales, you must say, as a HR professional, I go through this each and every day, okay, this sort of ideas. So in case of whenever we are searching for sales professionals, we search for male and female who are smart, beautiful looking, but only the looks. Can you believe that only that looks will give you some advantage in sales profession? No, boss. This is your entire speech. Finally, first impression will be created. Okay, fine, this lady is very beautiful, so she can dominate the sales world. But whenever some directors or say general managers will see that this lady is very beautiful, but she is not having that sort of quality which the company requires to sell their products, will they hire that person? No, absolutely not. This is an extra quality. If it is having, fine. Beauty plus brain gives an extra quality, extra advantage to crack the field. But finally, it's your skill set through which you can get success in your life. And success, what we measure, is not that you are achieving something. After reaching to that particular arena or particular place, the success is measured how long you are attaining that place, how long you are persisting on that place with the same potentiality which you are having in yourself. That is success. How long you are persisting on that particular field. You are achieving something, being first in the class is not the success. Rather, to attain that first position in each and every year is the success. And finally, that skill that is obtained through your skill set. If a person is struggling throughout his life, if it is said that he or she is not having beauty, it's completely a wrong thing. He or she is not having that particular skill set in that particular arena also. Because if he or she is having the skill set, maybe in the first impression they cannot crack, but finally whenever they are going through an interview, whenever going through an interview session, interaction session, that their seniors will understand that they are having the quality which they are haunting, and they will hire him or her, and he or she will be successful in that particular field. That is exactly, beauty is an extra advantage, extra quality. If it is having, fine, but this combination is very rare, beauty with brain. In case of Bollywood industry also, if we consider that beauty, many beautiful people are taking entry to Bollywood industry each and every year, each and every day, each and every moment. But the persons who are sustaining over there is through their acting skills. I will give you the example of Irfan Khan itself, who was a great actor, but was he very beautiful? No. He was beautiful, but there are a lot more who are much more beautiful than Irfan Khan. But they have not become Irfan Khan. Irfan Khan is just due to his skill set of acting. He was having an extraordinary skill set of acting, through which he has got the name Irfan Khan. He has become a brand. Okay, so beauty is temporary. Whenever you will be going towards a particular age where you will be depriving of this quality, that beauty will be fading away. But your brain, your inner beauty, that will be flourishing at that particular moment. Your inner beauty of mind, I'll make another video with this inner beauty of mind. What is inner beauty of mind? That is basically the wisdom. That is basically some qualities through which you can win millions of hearts. You can touch millions of hearts. You can only touch thousands of hearts through your outer beauty, but you can touch million of your hearts through your inner beauty. And that is the knowledge, that is the experience, that is the wisdom. So if we consider beauty versus brain wins, brain dominates the entire world in any sort of industries, in any sort of field. If you are not having that particular skill set required, your beauty will all be in vain. But still, I will say one thing here, that there are many examples in India to today's world. Today is this 21st century in which we are running. Still, there are a lot more things in India that during the time of any girl's marriage, the girl should have to be very beautiful. Otherwise, nobody wants to marry her. Okay, so we can see that the girl is very beautiful. This is also another scenario. The girl is very beautiful. She has been married in a very high society family, and she is leading a very good life. But after her child delivery, there are a lot more cases I have seen on particularly around me. Okay. In my friend circle, in my families, there are a lot more examples. Okay, that there are girls who are very beautiful and get their marriage in a very high class family, in a very good family, but after some sort of age, their beauty is getting faded normally. Okay, and we are basically middle class family. We cannot go with those surgeries, with those technologies which will make us beautiful day by day. Okay, so after that, it has been seen that her husband is having another extramarital affair with another beautiful lady. These are happening in our society. But if that particular girl is very qualified, was attaining, was leading her life in another direction in which he could have pursued his career. So that could have given him some other opportunities in life. There are a lot more examples in Indian society, okay, and also there are a lot more examples. If the girl is not beautiful, she is not having a good whatever you may say, good relationship with any other boy, or you may say is not getting a good husband just because she is not beautiful. But I don't believe this is a belief system of our society which we have created for hundreds of years, that in case of marriage the girl should have to be beautiful. But this is not the thing. If the girl is beautiful from her mind, from her inner self, I think that is much more important. Anyone can think, and the girl will have another life which she can lead with herself. So being beautiful is the blessing of God. You cannot change it. Being ugly also is another thing which is gifted by God. You cannot change it. But what you can change is your spirit, is your wisdom, is your knowledge, is your capacity. You can change it. You can mold it throughout your life, and you can be successful in each and every arena. In each and every arena. Even in case of marriage too. If you are having a good service career, you will have a very good husband in your life, or very good wife in your life, if you are having a good quality in yourself. And that particular quality you can mold every time. You are having the scope to mold it. You are having the scope to generate your brain to an upper level. Regularly you can mold it, you can change it. But beauty you cannot change. And that is obvious that beauty, after doing all those Botox, every treatment, beauty will be fading one day. It's obvious. But the skills which you will have with yourself, the brain which you will have with yourself, the capacity which you will have with yourself, the knowledge which you have gained, the wisdom which you have gained, the experience which you have experienced will be forever with you. These are not going to fade with the changing time. This will be with you, and this will finally lead you towards the success. And if you attain the success, you will be a successful man or woman if you can persist in that particular situation, and that is through your brain. Beauty, it's a fraction of a second to demolish. If you are very beautiful and suddenly you are facing an accident, your beauty, it's a 1 minute, 1 second thing that can be abolished. But the brain which you are having will be with you forever. It will give you service through your entire life. It will mold you. It will make you a perfect human being through your entire life. So who wins in this battle? It's only the brain who will always be winning, and the brainy persons who are dominating the entire life. It is the thing that dominating our entire life. So next day we will be coming with another video, that is what is the inner beauty of mind. What is the inner beauty? And that is dominating basically. As a human being, it is also molding you. As a human being, it is dominating the whole world. That is your inner beauty of mind, your knowledge, your wisdom, your capacity. So, in the battle between beauty versus brain, brain wins always. Isn't it motivating? Because beauty and brain is a very rare combination. That particular person or lady who is having beauty with brain is a very rare combination. So The war is between beauty and brain wins always. And we'll be winning always. Okay, so guys, keep watching. Thank you so much. I have another channel in Bengali. I am posting the link below the description box for both the channel. Please go through that description box link. You will get my channel. Whatever you are preferring, maybe it's English language, maybe it's Bengali language, you can follow me. Fine. Okay, so thank you. In the description box, you will get my channel link. Okay. Okay, so thank you. Keep motivated. Stay tuned with me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.